There is a specific kind of panic that only happens after you ship something with AI. The app works. The demo looks good. Your friends say it feels polished. And then a small voice asks, what if the login is broken? What if someone can see another user's data? What if the AI generated the feature tree but forgot the front door? Perfai Security launched today on Product Hunt with a very direct promise. Find and fix live vulnerabilities in vibe-coded apps with one prompt. That phrase sounds dramatic, but the problem is real. Vibe coding moved app creation from specialized teams to individual builders. Replit, Lovable, Claude Code, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and similar tools made it possible for one person to make a working product quickly. But security did not become magically easier just because the app was easier to build. Access control, authorization, data leaks, unsafe roles, broken tenant boundaries, and production misconfigurations are exactly the kinds of issues quiet solo builders postpone because fixing them usually means asking an expert. Perfai's page says the platform is built for autonomous access control security. It finds and fixes live vulnerabilities in vibe-coded apps, including apps made with Replit, Lovable, Claude Code, Cursor, and other AI coding tools. The pitch is that one prompt can make an app production-ready in minutes without requiring security expertise. Through the Introvert lens, that is not just developer convenience. It is the removal of a social bottleneck. The moment where a solo builder has to stop shipping and ask, can someone please tell me if this is safe enough? The workflow I would test is narrow. Do not point it at your entire company on day one. Take one small app with real auth, a database, and at least 2 user roles. Ask Perfai to inspect access control paths. Can a free user reach paid data? Can one workspace see another workspace? Can admin-only actions leak through an API route? Can a generated page expose private records? Then review the proposed fixes like a cautious maintainer, not like a relieved gambler. The important thing is that this kind of tool changes what a solo launch can feel like. You still need judgment. You still need tests. You still need to understand sensitive data. But you may no longer need to turn every pre-launch security question into a calendar event, a consultant search, or a public confession that the app was mostly generated at 1 a.m. That is an underrated form of relief. It makes the responsible steps smaller, earlier, and less socially expensive. My favorite part is that Perfai is aimed at live vulnerabilities, not theoretical linting. A lot of AI coding advice stops at, be careful, useful but not actionable. A better tool says, here is the root, here is the broken permission check, here is the exploit path, here is the patch. For introverts, specificity is oxygen. It turns vague anxiety into a list you can work through quietly. No dramatic audit room required, just evidence, fixes, and the option to verify before anyone else sees the problem. There are caveats. Security automation can reduce risk, not erase it. If the app handles health, finance, children, identity, or anything deeply personal, treat AI security review as a first pass, not a final sign-off. Also, be careful about connecting scanners to production systems. Use staging when possible, limit permissions, read the diff, and keep a record of what changed. The worst version of this category is security theater with a confident button. The best version is boring, logged, repeatable, and slightly annoying in all the right places. My verdict? Worth testing if you are using AI coding tools to ship real apps and you do not have a security team on speed dial. Skip it if your project is still a toy with no users, no auth, and no sensitive data. But the minute you add accounts, payments, private files, or customer records, security stops being optional. A one-person company still has many-person responsibilities. The bigger signal is that AI is no longer just helping us create faster. It is starting to patch the gaps created by creating faster. That matters. Introverts do not need to become louder founders, louder developers, or louder operators. We need systems that let one careful person move with the coverage of a team. Build quietly, check the locks, then ship. Quiet builders deserve security without a public audition.